So what's up my people, it's your boys Weekend Girl once again with another update. Today's video is about Bitforge. So you guys can see, I think this is my second video on Bitforge and I want to do a live withdrawal today. My last video on it, I make a live deposit and I showed you guys how it works. So far so good. Bitforge is one long-term platform that I see that I'm using to maximize my USDT. You guys know me, I love doing USDT updates. Almost USDT update is what I do. Sometimes I do TRS, but USDT is what I do on my updates. So as you can see, this is how it's being done and everything about this particular platform. So first thing first to do on this particular place is that you need to follow the link in the description and head over to your MetaMask. Please don't use Trust Wallet. I used Trust Wallet on my other video and I was having issue with Trust Wallet, so the customer service asked me to use Trust Wallet, MetaMask. And if you have been using Trust Wallet and you don't know how to transfer your account from MetaMask, from Trust Wallet to MetaMask, sorry, that's a mistake. So all you have to do is to go over to YouTube and type how to transfer accounts from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. You see a lot of videos doing it, and that is what I did to transfer my Trust Wallet account to MetaMask. So now what you have to do, once you're done entering the website link on your MetaMask browser, the next thing you have to do is to make sure that you bind your wallet address with the platform. You remember, create a brand new wallet for every particular project you are doing while binding account. So Bitforge is just a platform that is going to be giving you revenue to 1.8 to 2.8% daily passive income on any amount that you use to deposit on the platform. So what you have to do is to scroll down a bit and do your own research on the platform. You will see how everything is being done and how everything is going on the platform. So you can also see their frequently asked questions, so you can also read about it. Now what you have to do is to go ahead and click on this place that says open the dApp. So it's going to take you over to their dApp where you will see the total deposit of the people. You can see that people have deposited $451,302 USD, and total revenue have been $139.94 USD, and total miner is 3,073 and still counting, and miner deposits have been around 948. Total withdrawn is 39,286 USD. And just like I told you guys, the daily revenue is 1.8 to 2.8 daily. So how do you do it? Start mining with Bitforge. They have two types of mining project here. The first one is USDC, and remember, everything here is being done on Binance Machine Network. You dare not use TRC20 or ERC20. You have to use BEP20 USDT or USDC. So as you can see, how you have to do this one, minimum investment on this particular one is 50 USDC. So once you have 50 USDC on your account, as soon as you link your account to the platform, just like I bind my account, it will automatically bind your account for you and show you how much you have on your account. So all you have to do is to click on deposit and it will take you where you will complete the transaction and everything will be done. So where you will be claiming your 1.8 or 2.8% is this particular place. But don't worry, this particular one is the high level. But let's look at the people that are using USDT just like me. You will not tell me that you can't do this update because you don't have USDT, because even one USDT is enough to run this particular platform. All you have to do is to just bind your account and it will automatically show how much you have on your account here. Then invest it, impute how much you want to invest, and then click on deposit. It will take you to the next level. So what you have to do now is to, in case your revenue have mined for you, and as you can see, my mining revenue, the last time I made a video about this, I showed you guys that what I'm earning every single day, and the mining is gonna last for 25 days, guys. It's gonna last for 25 days, because see, my own is still remaining 16 days for the 25 days countdown to run. So, and so far so good. I've used my 5 USDT investment. As you can see, this is my 5 USDT investment. I invested 5 USDT and I'm earning 1.8 to 2.8% on it every single day. So, and I can claim my reward, my mine USDT. So all I have to do now is to click on this where it says claim, and you will see it's gonna take me over to complete the the smart contract. So I will just scroll up a bit and then click on this where it says confirm. It's going to take about small BNB from me. It's not up to 10 cents, even $1. So it's going to take it a bit, and then as you can see, the transaction is now submitted. So let's wait for confirmation to know if your withdrawal will land. As you can see now, the withdrawal is successful. The withdrawal is successful on our account, and as you can see now, my available balance is now $1, 0.84 cents, and as you can see, the transaction is now successful. Look at it over here. I have withdrawn from this particular update, and bear it in mind that the withdrawal fee is 3%. Now let me head over to my wallet to see the USDT that I just withdrawn from it. So this is it. So as you can see, I don't have USDT imported on my wallet. So what I have to do now is to click on this place that says import token, and I have to search for USDT in Binance Merchant Network. So this is tether USDT, and what I have to do now is to click on this place that says click on the tether USDT here over here, and it will automatically show its face for me. So I've selected it, and if I go back to my wallet address now, it's supposed to be showing. Okay, sorry, what I have to do is to select the coin that I want to use. If it's USDC that you want to use, just select USDC coin, or if it is USDT, just select it and then scroll down a bit and click on this place that says import, and it will automatically be imported to your account. And as you can see, so far so good. This is what I withdrawn from it. The 1.8 USDT is what I withdrawn from it, from this particular platform. So as you can see, this is how it runs. Every day I will earning 1.8 to 2.8% every single day. So right now what I want to do is I want to reinvest this particular 1.8 USDT on my account. So what I have to do now is to just impute 1 USDT because I want to reinvest it, and I can still leave it, but let me just click on this part that says deposit, and it's going to take me over to the contract call where I will reinvest it, for me to know that my investment is now 6 USDT in the platform. So what I have to do is to click on this part that says confirm, and it's going to load up a bit and then take out the transaction, do the transaction that is required for me. And as you can see now, the transaction is being submitted, and right now it's almost done. And as you can see now, staking is now successful and the transaction is now successful. So if you go over to my account now, you will see that my staking, my 5 USDT staking is here, and look at it over here. They have deducted the USDT from my wallet address. Look at it, the USDT have been deducted from my wallet address for staking. So that is how to earn and use this particular platform and earn. So you can also do the same, or you can invest any amount of your choice as far as you have up to 1 USDT on your account. So the next way of earning is this particular invitation part, where you can invite your friends and earn more. So how do you invite? Go down. As far as you connected your wallet, they will automatically give you an invitation link. So what you have to do is to click on this where it says copy your link, and your link will be copied successfully, and then you will share it to your friends. This is the contract of USDT and USD and every other thing. You can also check out their Telegram handle, their white paper, their Twitter handle for more information. So you can copy your link and then share it to your friends for more benefits. Once they are earning, you will be earning up to 6% of whatever they are earning every single day. So that is it. Get reward up to 6%. So that is it, and I hope you guys got value from this particular video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.